Welcome to Elementary Summer Reading Color Our World for July 29th, 2025, Part 2. There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Rainbow by Lucille, Colandro, illustrated by Jared Lee. There was an old lady who swallowed a rainbow. I don't know why she swallowed a rainbow. Would you like to know? There was an old lady who swallowed a cloud. She was quite proud to swallow a cloud. She swallowed the cloud to carry the rainbow. I don't know why she swallowed a rainbow. Would you like to know? There was an old lady who swallowed some glitter. It wasn't too bitter when she swallowed the glitter. She swallowed the glitter to brighten the cloud. She swallowed the cloud to carry the rainbow. I don't know why she swallowed a rainbow. Would you like to know? There was an old lady who swallowed a cone. She didn't groan when she swallowed a cone. She swallowed the cone to catch the glitter. She swallowed the glitter to brighten the cloud. She swallowed the cloud to carry the rainbow. I don't know why she swallowed a rainbow. Would you like to know? There was an old lady who swallowed a pole. She swallowed it whole, that shiny gold pole. She swallowed the pole to lift the cone. She swallowed the cone to catch the glitter. She swallowed the glitter to brighten the cloud. She swallowed the cloud to carry the rainbow. I don't know why she swallowed a rainbow. Would you like to know? There was an old lady who swallowed a ribbon. Like a magician, she swallowed a ribbon. She swallowed the ribbon to tie to the pole. She swallowed the pole to lift the cone. She swallowed the cone to catch the glitter. She swallowed the glitter to brighten the cloud. She swallowed the cloud to carry the rainbow. I don't know why she swallowed a rainbow. Would you like to know? There was an old lady who swallowed a horse. It was silly, of course, to swallow a horse. Then with a loud "Giddy up!" she started to run to join her pals for some merry-go-round fun. Have a magical day. The end. We're going to make a tissue paper rainbow heart, and what you'll need is your Craft to Go kit, which has a foam heart. And it's got a sticky back. You just got to peel off the different parts here. You can kind of see the lines. If you look real close, you can see there's a line in between. That'll show you which level each color goes on. So you'll have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And then this is all light blue up top. Your Craft to Go kit also includes some instructions. The instructions say to have a pencil to wrap the tissue around. It might be easier that way because the tissue is really small. Usually when I cut my own tissue paper, I make them about 2 inches. These look like they're about 1 inch squares. But that's up to you if you want pencil. I have a pen here just in case. And then you'll separate all the tissue out so that you have your colors. We have red, orange, green, here. Got yellow. There's blue. Thought there was supposed to be dark blue and light blue, but it all looks the same color to me. So we'll just have to go with that. Or no, this is darker. So the dark blue goes into the rainbow and the light blue goes into the sky. Dark blue and purple. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is poke out the little hole and tie on the string to make the hanger. I'm going to do 2 knots, 2 square knots, left over right and right over left, and that should hold. I guess that's actually technically 1 knot. All right, so then I'll start by peeling off part of the paper. This is the top part. This is the light blue. Now, like I said, when I do it on my own, like when I cut my own, I do 2-inch squares and I use my finger. So if you're younger, you might have smaller fingers. You might be able to just stick your finger in there. But my fingers are kind of big, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it this way. So I'm gonna keep doing this. Oh, this is part red. I'm doing the wrong color. I'm gonna carefully take it up. I should have looked at the picture. Everybody makes mistakes though. Put these aside, I will use those still. I will start again with the red. And it's easier if you peel just a little bit at a time so that you can rest the papers onto the heart and not get them stuck. The most frustrating part is going to be getting the papers separated because they're kind of stuck together. Well, we can deal with that, right? So I'm going to go ahead and put mine together, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done, because this is going to take a while and pretty sure you don't want to watch me do the whole thing. So I will be back. I finished my rainbow heart and that's what it looks like. It's got this string so it can hang, but it's nice and fluffy. I did have a few extra papers, which is okay. You can either throw them away or save them for another project. But that's all there is to it. Just take a pencil or pen and wrap it around there and stick them on. And it turns out nicely.